We are in Galveston, Texas, preparing to board the Carnival Dream ship for our cruise to the Bahamas. This is an 8-day cruise. We purchased a balcony stateroom, which totaled $3,670.40 for 2 people. That included gratuities and trip insurance. Carnival was running a special, so our price also included the Cheers and Bottomless Bubbles drink package. One thing to note, the ship left on Saturday, but our drink package did not start until Sunday. We were traveling with friends who had the Bottomless Bubbles drink package. Theirs started on Saturday. We don't drink alcohol. The Cheers was just part of the promo, but Carnival still required us to pay for all of our sodas until Sunday morning. Here's a quick look around our room. This ship is old. It is in desperate need of refurbishment. I'm not quite sure what was going on with our TV. We didn't have a good satellite reception, so we didn't get a lot of channels. Thankfully, you don't go on a cruise to watch TV. Room service on this ship also costs money, and to get the menu, you just scan the QR code. Surprisingly, our refrigerator did work well. The room safe was stored inside the desk cupboard instead of in the closet. And there were 3 long closets, and each one had a shelf. Shelves in one of our closets was used to store the extra life jackets. There were also some odd random hangers in that closet that I'm assuming belonged to the previous passengers. Luggage did not fit into the closets, but we were able to unpack that, then slide those suitcases under the bed. This ship also did not include the liquid hand soap in your bathroom. It was back to the old school bar soap. We did find one plug in the bathroom above the sink, like kind of up by the ceiling, which is an odd place, but it was a plug. Because this ship is an older ship, it doesn't have the newer things like the USB chargers in your bedside lamp tables. The windows on this ship were very stained. I mean, I'm sure it's hard being on the ocean to keep those clean. There was a lot of rusting on our deck. But after all, the thing that you really buy the balcony rooms for is, of course, the view. Thanks for watching.